Hello everyone, good morning all. How are you? Fine? Great. So you all are eagerly waiting to begin our classes today? Okay. You all have done your prayer? Prayer sing की? अब सबको थोड़ी थोड़ी prayer sing करनी आ गई है ना? Great. And are you trying your yoga asanas in morning and evening both the times? So as I have told you earlier also, my dear, that if you are going to practice them both the time in morning and evening, that will be more beneficial for you. Clear? So try these yoga asanas, practice them every day after your class, and in the evening you can do it after you wake up, after your evening nap, afternoon nap के बाद जब आप उठते हो तो उस टाइम पे आप कर सकते हो. You can practice them once, but don't practice them after your lunch or anything, after eating anything. Clear? खाना खाने के बाद योगा आसन नहीं करना है. So make it a point lunch के बाद या कुछ भी अगर आपने खाया है, so don't practice these yoga asanas until you have eaten 2 hours before. कुछ भी खाने के 2 घंटे के बाद ही आप कुछ practice करोगे योगा आसन्स. Clear? Okay, now let's begin with our today's English class. So today is 18th August 2020 and the day is Tuesday. Okay, so let us revise days of the week once. बहुत दिन हो गए ना, we haven't revised days of the week. So let us revise days of the week. So how many days we have in a week? We have 7 days in a week, isn't it? So 7 days नहीं बोलना है, full sentence. How many days are there in a week? We have 7 days in a week. So name them. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So in total we have 7 days. Let us revise once again. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So we have 7 days in a week, isn't it? Okay, now moving towards our today's English topic. So what we are going to learn? Formation of letter O. So when we say O, now see my lips, O. लिप्स से भी वही फॉर्मेशन बनती है जो हमारी लेटर फॉर्मेशन है. मैम के जो लिप्स हैं वो सर्कल बना देते हैं O, एंड वी आर सेइंग ऑरेंज. O for orange. O orange. Now let us see them. So can you tell me what is this? It's a fruit. EVS में आप fruits learn कर रहे हैं, आपने fruits के बारे में पढ़ा था. So which fruit is this? Orange. So we have orange color. We have orange fruit. So what I'll do, I'll write orange. O. So this is orange. So when I'm saying orange, so which sound is coming? O. Orange. है ना? O orange. Now, can you tell me which animal is this? It's a aquatic animal, or you can say a sea animal. और ये हमें कहाँ मिलता है? Deep under the sea. पानी में मिलता है, and it is very intelligent animal. और इसके पास ना ये जो इसके arms है ना, it have 8 arms. कितने arms हैं इसके पास? 8. ये 8 arms है इसके पास और ये बहुत intelligent animal होता है. So can anyone tell me the name of this animal? Yes, can you tell me? It's an octopus. So can you tell me again, repeat the name of this animal? Octopus. So let me write that. Octopus. Clear? So again, when I am saying octopus, so क्या sound निकल रही है? O. Octopus, orange, isn't it? Now, this is a bird, but it cannot fly. ये एक bird है जो fly नहीं कर सकती. And the name of this bird is ostrich. So again, the name is coming O. Ostrich. So let us say and write the word ostrich. So how we are going to write? Ostrich. Now when we are saying ostrich, again the sound is coming O, ostrich. O, O, ostrich. O, O, octopus. O, O, orange. तो जब भी हम O से कुछ भी बोलते हैं, orange, octopus, ostrich, so what sound is coming? O. What sound is coming? O. Now one more example I have. So what is this? It's a boat. बोट है. आप बोट में बैठे हो कभी? Have you ever taken a ride in the boat? So the one who drives the boat or the one who rows the boat, वो क्या यूज करता है? जो बोट को रो करता है, वो ऐसे चक्कू चलाते हैं वुडन का, जिससे वो वाटर को पीछे करता है और उस प्रेशर से हमारी बोट आगे जाती है. So what we call that oar. जो ये दिख रहा है आपको वुडन वाला, जिसको होल्ड करके हम वाटर में ऐसे हिलाते हैं एंड वी पुट अ प्रेशर कि वाटर पीछे जाता है एंड द बोट मूव्स अहेड. सो व्हाट वी कॉल दैट? इट इज कॉल्ड एन ओर. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एन ओर. व्हाट वी कॉल इट? ओर. क्लियर? नाउ whenever can you tell me some more things related to O? So we have orange, octopus, ostrich, oar, or you can say onion. Again O sound is coming. Onion, vegetables में किया था हमने, so O is coming there also. Then anything else that is beginning with O we have? So you have to tell me about two things begin with O, a part of them. Clear? Is that clear? Okay. Moving towards the formation of letter. So let me tell you how we write this alphabet in our 4-line pattern. So there is one point we have to begin with like this, and we'll stop here only. समझ में आया? As we have make a circle shape, so is the same we have to write alphabet O. Circle shape की तरह ही होता है हमारा alphabet O. We start and finish this alphabet on the same point. हमें कहीं रुकना नहीं है, कहीं पे इसको break नहीं करना है. No standing line, no sleeping line, just a simple O like this. Clear everyone how you are going to do this work? Clear all? Now moving towards your work in the book. So in book you are going to do work on page number 46 and 47. So book page number 46 and 47. So this is your class work. Clear? Page number 46 and 47 is your class work. Now what is your homework? You are going to write this alphabet, you are going to trace or practice the formation of this alphabet in the notebook as I am going to tell you now. Clear? Okay. So now class, open your English notebook. You must have completed your work in the book as classwork. So let's see how you are going to do today's homework. So first write today's date, 18th of August 2020, and this is your homework. So we will write HW here. So today we are going to write alphabet O. So can you tell me what is O for? O for orange. So what we can do is we are going to draw an orange here like this. So because orange has some spots on it, so I'm going to draw it like this. So what you can do is you can color it with orange color, orange pencil color, okay? And then we are going to write orange here. O R A N G E, orange. Clear? So how to write this alphabet? See, can you see? I have put in one dot on the red line. Red line पे आपको एक dot दिख रही है. As I told you on the board also, just start your line, make a curve, touch the second blue line and move again. आपको इसी point से start करना है and you have to complete at the same point. There is no standing sleeping line. just like this, a small circle you can say. So this is your alphabet O. Clear everyone how you are going to write? So like this you are going to write your alphabet O in notebook. Done. Now as you all know that in the previous class, in your previous English class, we have also started revising the alphabets which has already completed. So in previous class we have done L, I, H and E. So today we are going to revise alphabet T, then alphabet F, A and V. Clear? So this is again your today's homework. We are doing our revision side by side. So this is your homework class. Again you have to write HW here. Clear? So this complete line of T you are going to practice like this. T tomato, T telephone. So you are going to revise the sound also. T says T, F, 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 A, V, V. Clear? You are going to practice it whole. So class, I hope you have understood your today's homework and classwork both, which is related to formation of alphabet O. So complete your work and don't forget to share that work with me. Clear? Now it's time for a quick revision, for a quick recapitulation of our phonic rhyme. Clear? So once we are going to sing our phonic rhyme, not complete but few letters, and you have to practice it every day. So let's begin. Apple on the tree says eh, eh, eh. Bat and the ball says b, b, b. Say with me. Apple on the tree says eh, eh, eh. Bat and the ball says b, b, b. Clever pussycat says k, k, k. Dimpy the drum says da, da, da. Ellie the elephant eh, eh, eh. Finny the fish says g, f, f, f. Ellie the elephant eh, eh, eh. Finny the fish says f, f, f. Grumpy the goat says g, g, g. Grumpy the goat says g, g, g. Harry the horse says h, h, h. Harry the horse says h, h, h. Ink in the ink pot, E, E, E. Ink in the ink pot, E, E, E. Jack and Jill says J, J, J. Jack and Jill says J, J, J. Kenny the kangaroo says K, K, K. Light in the lamp says L, L, L. Kenny the kangaroo says K, K, K. Light in the lamp says la, la, la. Monty the monkey says moo, moo, moo. Monty the monkey says na, na, na. Nilly the nurse says na, na, na. Nilly the nurse says na, na, na. Orange in the plate says Orange in the plate says oh, oh, oh. Orange in the plate says oh, oh, oh. My dear parrot says purr, purr, purr. My dear parrot says purr, purr, purr. Clear all? So you have to revise this poem from A to P at home and please learn it properly. This phonic rhyme is going to help you a lot in your next session also. Clear? So because of this phonic rhyme, it will be easy for us to understand the sounds of all the alphabets. So now it's all for today. Meet you soon in the next class with a new alphabet. Bye all. Take care.